Chairman, Mr. William Chiu Lim, and their founder and vice chair, Ms. Marilu Chiu Lim.
Okay, ladies first. Tama ba?
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank everyone for attending this very, very special event. And actually, this is really something that I'm very, very proud because it's very hard to penetrate the mainstream market, especially in the US, especially the sardines. You can find sardines everywhere in the ethnic aisle, in the Filipino store, but never in the mainstream market. So we are very, very happy with the help of teams that we were able to do it. And the one thing that I can say that distinguishes us from other companies and other sardines is because we only do fresh hatch sardines and we have all fleet fishing vessels and we have been in fishing for more than 50 years. So we are very proud that we are very different from other sardines companies. We have our own source of fish and we preserve our preservation start from catching and to canning, which is very distinct and unique to our company. That's why I'm very, very proud that I can say that this is a product that we can be proud worldwide. And now, and the nutrition that you can get from this is really something that is now in trend. So we hope that this will be a very success in the US and other countries. Thank you. With the help of all of you and support, I know this will happen. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you on my behalf. Speaking about how Mega is. Pero when we started, I never thought that we would be in these positions representing Philippine brand to the global market. At that time, we just like to say that, well, let's make a better product for our Filipino counterpart. My preservations start from catching and not from the canning side. And we got intentions for Filipino to have that nutritional products at a very low cost, at take to God that we have sufficient raw materials to do it. Now, we are looking at the international market. It's all because our CEO and our M team thinking that we should be doing better than just the local market. We have enough supply so that we could expand internationally. And thanks to Jim for opening our mind. No, you are not a Filipino brand only. You can be globally competitive and globally known. I would like to thank now our private sector representative of Tatak Pinoy, Mayos, for being here. DTI came out with Tatak Pinoy products, and which is supposed to be promoting local brand to international market. That is what is important because sayang ang brand natin na hindi natin masishare sa iba. And having the goodness of the sardines and being certified by the MWA, why are we the only one? Because the process that we have is from catching to canning. Ano ibig sabihin? We are actually a fishing company. No? We catch and better preserve and put it on can and distribute. While the others if they are just buying from other fishermen, who cares about quality? Who cares about more ice? Who cares about adding salt back to the fish? Because they are just fishing. But for us, we have to come up with a very good product. Quality-wise, exceptional. And that's the start of from catching to cutting. And we've done a lot of innovations in our fishing side just to get that quality in place. And thank to God, we were able to get the certification from WMA, and which trust us to entering the US market. And of course, this will be affecting also our other export because the standard becomes higher. And this is not just ordinary food. It is very nutritional and it's for health benefit. Maganda talaga. Of course, with my behalf here, contributing to the history of Vega. Of course, the direction is also expanding worldwide. Hindi tayo ba makaka-proud wherein we could see a product Filipino origin in other countries? Walang sagot. Tulog pa yata kayo. Do you like to have a Filipino product?
Yes.
Dito, 2 tao lang. Filipino?
Yes.
Yes. And we are very proud also to represent the Philippines because that's our pride. Kaya ang sinasabi natin, the fish is made in Zamboanga. Malapit doon, and local resources. And what more can we ask for para sa majority of the Philippine people to have that nutrition at a very affordable price. Kaya I hope that Tatak Pinoy can do more because there are a lot of Filipino products that would need help in expanding into international market. And of course, this achievement makes us proud to see that Filipino brand is really worth something to fight for in the international market. Mahirap, pero since we started fishing, going to canning operations, into delivery, into can making operations, every step of the way on the journey, it's difficult. But do we give up? No. Because the end vision is the product has to be exceptional. And by exceptional, you have to do something different. It cannot just be the traditional method of preservations, distributions, marami pa kailangan. Okay? Anyway, it's good for the team and for these presentations. I hope you could help us in going out and telling Filipino people that we have a good brand, that they could help us also in achieving in the global community. Again, maraming salamat at have a good day. Okay?